And what the Jews did, what the religious leaders did, what the Sadducees and the Pharisees and the Sanhedrin did, is that they elevated these things God gave them and they began to worship them instead of worshiping God. They made the temple into an idol. They made their traditions into an idol. They made the law of God, and they worshiped those things rather than getting their eyes on the Lord himself. They made the things that God gave them into something they were never meant to be. The blessings of God into idolatry. And they loved those things more than they loved God himself. You know, sometimes blessings in your life and in my life can become idols. Sometimes we can love the things God has given us more than we love God himself. This happens to us sometimes. We get distracted by these things. The very gifts given to us by God become the very things that our lives become wrapped up all around and about. And they become our little idols, our little gods.